The first thing we're going to do is take off the battery. And then if we spin the saw around, we'll find an Allen key housed in the back of the saw here, so we'll pull that out. This Allen key is going to go into this Allen screw in the middle of the saw blade. You'll notice now though, if we start twisting that, it's not going to loosen the blade will spin with it. What we have to do is, if we look in the middle of the saw here, there's a little button right there. We want to press that, and while pressing it, we're just going to move the screw around. It should click into place. You'll feel that button go all the way down. And make sure you just keep holding pressure on that, and as you hold pressure on that, you want to start turning this Allen screw. And to get the screw out, you got to twist it right instead of left for the saw. With a bit of pressure, you'll get it started, and then you can release the button once the screw is loose and just keep turning that until it comes out. We'll put the screw to the side. We'll also have this O-ring holding it in place. We'll put that to the side too. And then we can pull back the saw guard and carefully lift up the blade and pull it out. Now, depending on which blade you bought, sometimes the hole in the middle could be different. And that is adjustable in the saw. We can actually pull out this O-ring here, and if we spin it around, it's got a different size to suit a larger blade. So if your blade doesn't fit, you can spin that around. I'm going to be using the same blade, so I'm going to put that back to how we had it. And when you put your blade back in, most brands will normally have one blank side, and then the other side, which as you can see here, had the Milwaukee logo on it before it started getting rubbed off from use. You want the side with the logo with the writing to be facing outward when you put it in your saw. So I'm going to put that guard back, slide the blade back in. I can feel it's nice and secure there. It's not moving side to side, meaning that our O-ring in the middle must be facing the right way. We can now start putting our bits back together and start tightening it off. Now when your screw's in all the way and the blade starts spinning with it, you want to press that same button down once again, and then tighten that screw as tight as you can get it. So I'll put that Allen key away, and that's how you change your blade on Milwaukee's 18 volt cordless saw.